For us to be successful in the production of hydrogen, we're going to need to consider all forms of hydrogen up until a certain point. So we see that the UK are deploying blue hydrogen at scale. In the Nordics, they're talking about hydrogen from nuclear because nuclear is a source. So I think we need to understand on the phasing of where is the power coming from, what available power is there, what colour does that then determine, and then how do we use that? And in the future, where's the future power coming from, which will inherently get it towards green. Okay, and we can have this volume of green. But I think there's a number of different things that we need to consider with green hydrogen and the ambition to get towards an infrastructure that's based around green hydrogen. The EU have got a target of 10 million tonnes per annum in renewable hydrogen by 2030. So if we sit here today, that's in 7 years' time. And for that to happen, we believe that's 500 projects at large project size that are required to make that happen. And then 25 of those need to be operational by 2030. There's not as many in production or in development at this moment in time. Big projects like that take 8 to 10 years to actually go through. So the start date is now, and we've got 8 to 10 years to develop these projects and get them operational. So already we're past that kind of 2030, so it makes it at risk. And then the other part that we've got in the conundrum of hydrogen, as you spoke about, the business model is the capital aspects of it. Capital needs to be deployed at scale. Money is like water. It flows, but it always flows towards the opportunity. So from that point of view, going back to your question, the capital needs to be deployed at volume to where the opportunity is. So therefore, if we're creating more and more opportunities in hydrogen, we'll see more and more of the money flow there as well.